Okay, so now we're going to look at base 10 and expanded form, which we've talked about expanded form some. That's just when you break things down for each place value. So if we're breaking down $14.45 into bills and coins, well, then we have $10 plus $4 plus 4/10 or 40 cents, right? And then plus 5 cents or 5/100. Okay, so this is our, we'll look at it here. So I have $10 here, which would be one $10 bill, or 1 times 10. I have 4 $1 bills, which would be 4 times 1. I have 4 dimes, 40 cents, right? So that would be 4 times 10, or 4 times 1/10, or 10/100, however you want to look at that. And then I have 5 pennies, which would be 5 times 1/100, or 1 cent. Okay? So breaking down that $4.45 into bills and coins, you break it down based on that place value of each digit in each place. So the sum of those individual multiplication problems, so of each of these, the sum of all of those would get us back up to that original amount. So expanded form is where we do break that down. So it would be 10 plus 4 plus 0.4 plus 0.05. Okay, that's that expanded form, just breaking it apart by place value, which is something, again, we have talked about before. Or if we wrote it as the multiplication, let me rewrite that there. Actually, I want you guys to write it this way too, if you're writing it down. It would be 1 times 10, 4 times 1, 4 times 1/10, and 5 times 1/100. Okay, so that's all of those multiplication parts added together to get that total of 1445. So when you write it like this, with that multiplication, that's what we call base 10 form. Highlight that, base 10 form. Okay, so when we put it in the place value chart, this number, 102 and 805 hundredths, or thousandths. So I have 100, 0 tenths, 2 ones, 8 tenths, 0 hundredths, and 5 thousandths. Okay. To write a number sentence, that's what I mean when I say to put it into base 10 form. That's where all the products are added together. So since 1 is in the hundredths place, that one would be 1 times 100. There's nothing in the tens place, so I'm not even going to put anything for that. 2 in the ones place means I'm going to do 2 times 1. 8 in the tenths place, so I do 8 times 1/10, or 0.1. Nothing in the hundredths place, so I don't need to worry about that. And then 5 in the thousands place, so I do 5 times 1,000th. Okay, it's just breaking that down into place values in that expanded form and then multiplying it by whatever that unit is for the place value. Okay. So I'm going to put a couple examples for you guys to do in the Google form. Make sure you have those filled out for class tomorrow.